friends coming over, you don't know what to do, I have the perfect solution for you. I call it the social salad. It's so easy to make if you have the ingredients, trust me, 20 minutes. And you can use any kind of protein you want. You want to use meat, red, white, fish, anything. Tofu is very handy and it's very quick to prepare if you're in such a situation. So I've got 400 grams of firm tofu. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to chop it into batons. Not too thin. If your tofu has too much water, just put some salt on it and put it between two chopping boards and paper towel, and that will take out the excess water that's in there. And then it's going to go into a bowl because I'm going to be marinating this. Again, if you have chicken and you want it to cook quickly, just cut them really, really small. Now the marinade. I love using these jars for anything, dressings, marinades, they're just so easy. I've got soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. I've got 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yes, sugar is always essential in these Asian cuisines. And I've got rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon. I've got 1.5 tablespoons of chopped lemongrass. And what I want from the lemongrass is just the very core of it. So you're gonna need maybe 2 or 3 to get that really nice soft part. Ginger, again, 1.5. And then I've got 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm gonna crush. And finally, I've got 3 tablespoons chopped onion. Give it a shake. And I'm just gonna toss it here. And then gently with my hands, tofu is quite delicate, so you have to be very gentle with it. I'm just gonna move it about so everything is coated. And I'm just gonna put a little sprinkle of salt. And now that's ready to go in the fridge and marinate. This has rested for an hour. It's time to fry. I've got this lovely pan that I use for everything. I'm just gonna put that. I've turned them and each side of the tofu is fried. Just gonna remove it to a plate for them to cool down. The smells are awesome. Now the rice paper. Very easy to make. I've just got a cheesecloth and I've dipped it in hot water. I'm just gonna lay it on the plate. I'm gonna put rice paper on top, and then I've got another one, which also I'm gonna lightly squeeze. I want some water left in there, and I'm just gonna cover the rice paper and I'm just gonna dab it like this. See? This is what you want. It works with you. It's pliable. Now I'm gonna assemble everything and I'm gonna show you how to eat this. I'm just gonna put a few on the platter. You can put as many as little as you want, whatever your platter fits. Now this is the rice paper. It's quite sticky. So what we do, I'm gonna hold it in my hand and do it. You just put a little bit of everything. So I've got some rice noodles here, which I'm gonna put, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of everything. So I've got some carrots, I've got cucumber, and a little bit of herbs. These aromatic herbs are just absolutely gorgeous. Put some of this lovely mint, and finally, I'm gonna put my tofu. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wrap it like a sandwich. See? I'm gonna put it in one of my dipping sauces I made before. There you go. Quick, easy, simple, healthy. More recipes like this on my website.